Hello students, I want to show you a database that we do not have. I am at the Montgomery County Library Memorial Library System. If you're in Harris County, you can try your Harris County Public Library or your city library, or vice versa for your different counties you live in. So I'm going to go ahead and click into the eBrary, databases, research databases. Your web page might look totally different than this. So using this Montgomery County Library Memorial Library System, I'm going to click on databases, which you won't be doing this unless you're in Montgomery County. And I'm going to go down to the R's, where I'm looking for, let's see, which one was it? Reference Solutions, which used to be called Reference USA. It says, let's see, verify details of 14 million U.S. businesses and 210 million U.S. residents. You can look at also white pages. We bring that information directly from library patrons, make it faster. Let's see, 2 library patrons, making it faster and easier to find new business opportunities. Research executives and companies, find news articles, conduct job searches, research papers, locate addresses and phone numbers, conduct market research, and much more. Okay, so let me go ahead and click on Reference Solutions, and I'll have to log in here, so I'm going to pause this a second. Okay, so I've logged in, and now you can see that there are several choices. Right now, I'm interested in U.S. businesses. Now, you could go look at U.S. businesses or any of these other places that you might want to go look at. For now, we're going to U.S. businesses. I prefer to use the advanced search, so we're going to click on advanced search. And just let me know, you can search by any of these options over here on the left side. You can omit, that's cool. Special selects. And then financial data, ownership, business size, the phone number, geography, business type, executive name, company name. You can also select all. So on this instance, I was helping someone with the food truck industry. Okay, so I didn't know the NAICS code or the SIC code, but you can look it up here. So I'm going to go ahead and click that I want to look it up by keyword. Once you do that, it opens up a search screen for you. So I can look by SIC codes or NAICS codes. North American, I think it's industry classification, something like that. Let me go ahead and take that because that's really the newer way of doing this. Let's go ahead and put in food truck. And I get nothing. So remember that you need to have the correct heading to look it up. If you don't know, one easy way to do that is just to find a company that you know does that type of business. Look up that company, and then you can look in the record for what the NAICS code is or the SIC code is, okay? So I know that food trucks will be under the SIC code, so I'm going to change that. Now I'm looking up SIC code. It's taking a minute. Here we go. Now, I'm not needing all these other ones that are listed down here, so I'm going to take the food trucks and stands, and I'm going to write down this SIC code. Normally, your SIC codes are just 4 numbers, but basically what you're seeing here is 5963 and then -16. So the 16 narrows it down a little bit more. I've chosen it. Now I want to look it up by the food trucks, let's say, that are in, for me, I'm just going to try Montgomery County. You could try Harris County, or you could even look up Houston or metro area, okay? So I'm going to go ahead just for fun and let me try Montgomery County. So I clicked on county, and now I can select the state. and then I'm going to take Montgomery County. You can mark more than one county. There we go. And now I'm going to run my results. You're going to get, I only have 2 companies that are listed as running food trucks in Montgomery County. Now you can see here the 2 records. If I click on this Deacon Baldy's food truck, bar food truck, that it's out of Magnolia, Texas, gives you the address. It gives you the SIC code here that I was talking to you about, and then here's your NAICS code. So if you wanted to find the newer code, you could use this code right here. It's a little bit longer, of course, than the SIC code. And they use the term mobile food services and mobile concessions for the food truck. Okay. Tells you the business demographics here. It gives you names of the people running the company. These are estimated annual expenses, and then sales by year. This is not perfect. Some of this might be average, or I'm not sure who reports this to them, but it's just kind of a ballpark range. Employees size by year. And it looks like it started maybe, they're showing business history of 2019. You can open up View CC filings. Normally there's nothing there. Nearby businesses. So like if you wanted to look at the, let's say a Pizza Hut or something, you could find out what the nearby businesses are. Or you could look up, let's say a Discount Tire and find out maybe if you want to open a restaurant next door to a Discount Tire to get the business of people that are waiting for their cars to be fixed, tires to be fixed. They can come over, eat lunch, for example, at your restaurant. Okay. There's a lot of ways you can use this database. And you also can look at competitors' reports. Expand that. And so different companies are going to give you different information. They're not all going to give you the same information. This lists the different companies that are their competitors. I saw this company listed when I ran the search for Houston County. I'm sorry, not Houston, Harris County. Okay, so let me go back and let's revise our search. Let's see, back. I guess I'll have to go back. Let's get some more. So we're going to revise our search, and we're going to add another county in or 2. So just for fun, let's see what we got here. We're going to go back to Texas. And you can do city searches if you want to. You can also do radius searches. At least you used to be able to do radius searches around here, like 2 miles from a certain address. Okay, so let's do Texas. And let's see, let's try, we'll take Fort Bend. And you know all the Texas counties that you need. So take them as you please. We'll take Galveston. And we'll take Harris County. And there may be some others that you want to add in. We'll take those 4 for now. And go ahead and change our search. Or revise our search. We're going to view our results. And now we have 33 companies listed. You can see here different ones have got different information. And you can actually download this in Excel if you want to. Let's see, what's the charts? I have not used that before, so that's interesting. Summary, I've never looked at that. So there's a lot of things you can do. Show count breakdown by SIC code, sales volume, NAICS. Let's try sales volume and see what happens. We'll do county. I've never done this before. Let's see what happens. So it looks like they may have arranged it by county, and I am not real sure what I'm looking at. Let's go back to results. I haven't tried that before either. These are all new since I've used this database. Oh, that's great. Okay, that's good. Go back. Details review. Okay, So I'm going to mark all of these companies and then go to the next page and mark all of the companies there. And then I'm going to say I want to download these. You get a choice to email these to yourself if you'd like to. I'm going to take the Excel 2007, 2009, 2007, 2010 Excel, and then we'll take the detailed information. You also have a choice to select certain fields that you want. Okay, so let me go ahead and email these to myself. Add. Now I can do it. Okay, now they were successfully sent. And that's basically how to use, what's it called? Reference Solutions. It used to be called Reference USA. Okay, thank you.